you have avocado at home, make this delicious and easy salad. To begin, we'll cut some lettuce. Let's chop 1 tomato, half a green bell pepper, and half a red bell pepper. We'll cut 1 onion, one cucumber, and 1 avocado. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. Let's move the lettuce to a dish. And the tomato. We'll add 1 cup of corn. Let's put the bell peppers, the onion, and the cucumber. In a bowl, we'll put 1 carton of natural yogurt, the avocado, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, garlic, and salt. Let's mix to make the dressing. Now we'll pour it over the salad and spread it. And our delicious recipe is ready. Don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!